Salam sejahtera Dr. I'm Yong Ken Sun from Group 6, Section 31. Today I would like to explain the assessment that Dr. given to us. For the first question 8, we are asked to sketch the following region enclosed between the surface by the given equation and also the requirement. So for the first equation, x squared plus y squared equal to 9, z equal to 0, and z equal to 3 minus x. So for the first equation, x squared plus y squared equal to 9. It will become a circle in the 2D graph, and also it will become a cylinder in the 3D graph as shown in slide. So the z equal to 0 is the plane of the cylinder, and also z equal to 3 minus x, it will become the shape to cut the cylinder. So thus the region enclosed between the surface will be like this. So for the second question, y squared equal to x, z equal to 0, and x plus z equal to 1. So for y squared equal to x, it will become a shape like parabola in the 2D graph, and it will become like this in the 3D graph. And also the z equal to 0 will be the plane of the shape. And also the x plus z equal to 1, the equation, it will become the shape like this. So it will cut it. So the region enclosed between the surface will become like this as shown in slide. So for the third question, 4x squared plus y squared equal to 9, z equal to 0, and z equal to y plus 3. So for 4x squared plus y squared equal to 9, it will become a ellipse in the 2D graph, and it will become a elliptical column in the 3D graph. And z equal to 0 will become the plane of the elliptical column. And the equation z equal to y plus 3, it will become a shape that will cut the elliptical column. So the region enclosed between the surface will be like this. So for the fourth question, z equal to 9 minus x squared, z equal to 0, and y squared equal to 3x. So for z equal to 9 minus x squared, it will become the parabola in the 2D graph, and in the 3D graph it will become like this. So z equal to 0 is the plane of the shape, and the equation y squared equal to 3x, it will become a shape, a parabola also. So for the region enclosed between the surface, the two parabola will cut each other, then the shape will become like this. So we are also required to do the question 9. Given fxy equal to x squared plus y squared minus 2y. So first we need to find the domain and range of f. So for domain, we can know the x and y both are real number. And after that, we can completing the square, doing the completing of the square for the equation. So it will become like this. So as we can see in the equation, the range of f will become minus 1 or 0 or any positive number, because the x is square and y minus 1 is also square. So the z will become negative 1, 0, or greater or any positive number. So we are also asked to sketch the level curve by given the c equal to 1, 0, 3, and 8. So when the c is -1, the radius will become 0. When c is equal to 0, the radius of the circle will become 1. So for c equal to 3, the radius will become 2. And also, when c equal to 8, the radius of the circle will become 9. So first we should know the shape of the drawing. So first we need to proceed the x equal to 0. It will become the equation z equal to y square minus 2y. So the shape will become like this of the graph. So, and also we will let y equal to 0. It will become z equal to x squared. The shape will become like this. So now we can draw our level curve. So on here, all the circle has uh, the central at 0 in x-axis and also 1 in y-axis. So after that, we can uh, sketch the surface. So it will become like this.